Today I have a HP Pavilion laptop, and this laptop model is 14C-3043 laptop model, and here is the model number. And this laptop problem is hinges are broken, and both side hinges are broken. Today I'll fix this very simple and easy way. Okay, and you can see this is badly broken, but laptop condition very fresh. And this laptop is okay, but due to the hinges broken, they are not using. And I will fix these hinges very simple and very easy way. You can see this. Here is the both side hinges are broken. Okay, and this is the body condition, that is also not good. Okay, let's open it and see. Let's open it on this side. And laptop is open, and this is the laptop motherboard. Now I will separate this display from this body main part. I want to remove the battery because of sometime open circuit, it would be any short circuit, laptop will be damaged. Now we are safe zone. This one is display connection. Just open it. Now I open all this screw from the cover, but here is one thing, you can see this, and this is very hard, and due to the hardness that hinges are broken, and I will fix this. Okay, so much hard, but when you repair this type of problem, you just lose this screw. Okay, that will be sustainable and that will be well performed. And when you lose this and you just keep a minimum strength, it can be extend your display. That is okay. This is the okay, and this screw will give some strength for holding this display. Okay, for attaching these things I am using arrow light. If you use it perfectly, and this glue color will be white. This is the perfect color and perfect mixing. Let's attach this. Now clap this hole. Work. Lose this screw and also, and yes, this set perfectly, and attach this screw tightly, and this set also set not perfectly. You just lose this screw. Yes, now this one is set up perfectly. And tight this screw. This set also tight this screw, and I will keep this for 24 hours, and after that it will be strongly set up. Here is some glue come out from this body, and I will clean this. Okay, now keep this 24 hours, and after that I will set this and I will check this all these things and okay or not. Okay, after 24 hours our laptop is ready, and you can see this here, this area, and this side is attached very perfectly, and this side also. Just to repair the hinge, and you can see this, and it we can use easily and smoothly. Here is no problem. Okay, and let's see this. And you can see this is perfectly attached, no gap with this repairing hinge. Okay, but thanks for watching.